Good morning. I just wanted to give you a little overview of your final exam information. So a week from today, so it would be Monday, May the 4th. Monday, May the 4th is when we will take finals. Okay, Monday, May the 4th. I gave the survey and people opted to take it early, so we went with the Monday. So Monday, May the 4th. Monday, May the 4th. I cannot say that enough right now. Okay. So just a little funny for you to get you started. I hope that you study your butts off. Some of you guys are borderline on your grades, and so you could definitely pull your grade up here if you worked very hard on your finals. So just want to go through this information for you. So your final, again, Monday, May the 4th. The testing window is from 6 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Okay, 6 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. and you have a 2-hour time limit. 2-hour time limit. It is worth 100 points. Okay, 100 points. It is 40 questions, and each question is 2.5 points apiece. Okay, so 40 questions. So that's what you can expect to see. It is through WebAssign. Okay, so it'll be kind of that same format that we've been doing. On Friday, May 1st at 6 p.m., there will be a Zoom test review session. So if you have any questions that you, over anything we've done the entire semester, it is cumulative. So if you have questions over the entire semester, then you can ask then or ask things about the test on that Friday, May the 1st, okay, at 6 p.m. So after Wednesday of this week, so again, you're taking your chapter test, chapter 4 success on Wednesday, so your grades are not up to date yet. So after you take your test on Thursday morning is when you can figure your final grade. Thursday morning. So look on Blackboard and you'll be able to see your total points. You can round those to just a whole number. So then you can use this grade formula. Okay. So depending on what grade you want, take the number and subtract your total points. And that's what you need to make on the final to get the grade you want in the class. Okay. If you need more than 100 points, the grade is not possible. So switch to another one. If you need individual help on figuring this after Thursday, then please reach out to me and I can help you with that. Your chapters, your final exam covers chapter P through 6, so it is cumulative. I do encourage you to look back at notes, reviews, old tests, old homework, anything like that. And as I made the test, I gave let me get this all on one page, there we go. As I made the test, I went down through and made a list of things that you can expect. Okay, so this is a list that things you can expect to see on the final. So as you go down through, it is in order of chapters. So from solving variables to complex numbers is chapter P. Solving equations is all of chapter 1. Graphing, evaluating functions, function operations, difference quotient, composite functions, that's all chapter 2. Circles is in chapter 1. Circles is in chapter 2 also. So all of that, graphing, circles, evaluating functions down to composite functions is all chapter 2. And then chapter 4 is inverses, logs, and exponentials. And then 6.1 is systems of equations. So there is not anything on there from 3.5. Again, we did graphing rational functions. There is not anything on there from 3.5. So you can expect that. So again, just the review of what to expect on the final. And again, this is kind of the goal. The things to remember is next Monday is your final. So once you take your test on Wednesday, you'll definitely want to move into final review mode. Okay, it does have a 2-hour time limit on it. So if you have been using a lot of time or maybe looking things up. I'm hoping we're not using any sort of online solution hunting. But again, remember that is academic plagiarism. So I encourage you to make sure that you are prepared for this test. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. But again, on Wednesday, we'll take our chapter test, and then you can move your focus to your final. So but you can start collecting things that may help you study for your final.